Welcome all media persons. Today, Honorable Tourism Minister Sri Rohan Thote, along with the Chairman of GTDC Dr. Ganesh Gavkar, has discussed about three festivals of Department of Tourism, that is Carnival, Sigmo and Shiva Jayanti, to be celebrated in Goa. I am having Director of Tourism Sri Kedar Naik and Managing Director of GTDC Sri Kuldeep Arolkar sir. So today a lot of discussions have been taken place on all three festivals, and details including dates, price structure. I request Director of Tourism Sri Kedar Naik to speak to you. Welcome all media persons. Today Honorable Tourism Minister Sri Rohan Thote, along with the Chairman of GTDC Dr. Ganesh Gavkar, has discussed about three festivals of Department of Tourism, that is Carnival, Sigmo and Shiva Jayanti, to be celebrated in Goa. I am having Director of Tourism Sri Kedar Naik and Managing Director of GTDC Sri Kuldeep Arolkar sir. So today a lot of discussions have been taken place on all three festivals, and details including dates, price structure. I request Director of Tourism Sri Kedar Naik to speak to you.
So in today's meeting, we have finalized date for Carnival. So I'll tell you the date first of the Carnival. So Panji will have a Carnival on 1st of March. Then Madgaon will have a Carnival on 2nd of March. Vasco on 3rd of March. Mapsa on 4th. And Morjim on 4th. And Porvorim will be on 28th of March. 20th of Feb, and the prize money and the infrastructure money which we are allocating to the various committees are for Panji 27 lakh 35,000, for Madgaon 27 lakh 35,000, for Vasco 27 lakh 35,000, Mapsa 27 lakh 35,000, Porvorim 17 lakh 35,000, and Morjim 14 lakh 25,000. So our department will support all the Shigmo Carnival committees to have this festival in a grand manner. Today we also had a meeting of various Shigmotsav committee, and we finalized on dates for at various places. So Fonda will have a Shigmo on 15th of March. Madgaon will have it on 16th. Mandrem and Kepem will have it on 17th of March. Shiroda and Kurcharam will have it on 18th March. Darbandola on 19th. Kalangut on 20th. Vasco on 21st. Panji on 22nd of March. Mapsa and Sangem will be together on 23rd of March. Kankona will be on 24th, Pernem will be on 25, Kunkulim and Valpur will be on 26, Bicholim on 27, Sakare on 28 and Porvorim on 29. So like last year, we are supporting various committees for the infrastructure and prize money. So one major decision which we have taken in today's meeting is increasing the prize money of the minor center by 50,000 of Kepem, Bicholim, Valpur, Kankona, Kurcharam, Kunkulim, Sangem, Pedne, Sakare, Darbandode, Shiroda, Kalangut and Porvorim. Along with these two Shigmo and Carnival festival meeting, we also had a meeting of Shiv Jayanti, wherein like last year, department has decided to support various committees in Panji, Madgaon, Mapsa, Marmagaon, Fonda and Sakle by allotting them 5 lakh rupees to the each committee, so that we can have our Shiv Jayanti festival on 19th of February 2025. Thank you.
So can you tell us about the route?
There are various local committees formed, and local committees along with the collector and the police department will finalize the route.
No, these are the only 4 or 5 citizens.
No, Department of Tourism,
Department of Tourism.
for this year, these are the places which I have announced. We will support only these committees.
Sir, for Orim, where it will take place as it is highway work is going
That
on,
decision
so
has to be taken in consultation with the collector, SP Traffic. So that meeting will be held separately, and we will decide on the route.
Because it's already congested, so you know where the route is going to be in the loading area.
No, we'll take all the stakeholders into consideration. All the points will be considered, and then the route will be decided.
Earlier,
Finalized.
February used to start first, no? No, before that.
No, this year also it is Carnival. It is starting on 28th of February. February is starting first.
On behalf of Department of Tourism, I thank you all the media persons who have attended this press conference. Thank you very much.
thank you.